Hey everybody, and welcome back to Chets Rental YouTube channel. Well, you requested it and we delivered. Today we're going to be talking about a couple different options that you have if you're a residential person and you have to get into the backyard and you've got a narrow gateway and you really don't want to have to take that fence down, or if you're a contractor building a deck and you have to do some augering in a backyard. The options are really unlimited. We've purchased a few products that are going to allow you to maneuver into tight spaces, backyards or residential areas where you've got trees, anything small and confined. We've got the perfect solution for you. Chets Rental just went out and purchased a nice product line on our Eimer mini compact loaders. Now these units are made by Eimer. They're an IHI product. The model number is AS12. It's a AS12. They've got 21 horsepower and they're really loaded with good features and capacities. This particular unit is going to rate out at about 728 pounds of SEA load capacity, and it's got a fantastic breakout force at about 1658. What makes it really nice is that it's only 33 inches wide, so that allows you to get into those confined spaces that a standard full-size Bobcat loader would not. And for the record, we do offer a full product line of Bobcat loaders, both wheeled and tracked, with heated cabs and without, depending on the season you're working in. The dump height on these mini compact loaders are 6 foot 8 inches. So if you're going into a back of a pickup or maybe a dump trailer, it'll work fantastic. And they're only 6 foot 2 inches tall. They're a diesel unit with just a little bit under 2.5 gallon fuel capacity. The AS12 has a lot of benefits and a lot of great features, and if you're curious if you can operate this, we'll definitely illustrate the functions and show you that you probably can. Now keep in mind that hauling this unit, you're going to need a minimal of a 1500 series pickup truck with a frame mounted hitch. More than likely we're going to end up putting you on a 2 5/16 inch receiver, and you're going to need a flat 4 hookup on lights. Now, I'll kind of point out some different things here. If you're running different attachments with this, we've got you covered. You can either run with the standard bucket, or what we'll do is we'll drop the bucket and we'll put a special plate on there so you can hook up to any different attachments made by Toro. Now, the Toro Dingo is another compact loader that we offer, and it has the same features almost as the mini loader, just not the same lifting capacity, not the same dump height, but the options on the Toro Dingo are really phenomenal. You know, you can do augers, you can do soil cultivators, they've got rototillers, the list is really endless. You can actually log on to Toro.com, go to the Dingo section and see the capabilities, and if you have any needs, make sure to check with us. We'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. So regardless if you're using the Toro Dingo or the AS12, we can interchange any of these attachments on either machine, and that's simply done once again by disconnecting the bucket and putting on the attachment plate and hooking up to the attachment that you request, and then hooking up the hydraulics. This is a really nice hard tire unit. It turns on a dime, and you know, it's got really nice structure and integrity, good cage. It's got backup alarm, backup lights. And it's really fun to drive. So we'll set in it here, and I'll kind of go over the unit with you. You just safely use your step guards there. There's anti-slip grip material. Now, once you're setting into the unit, there's a left lockdown and a right lockdown for safety bars. You're definitely going to want to have that down. The unit will not start without it. Now, as far as the inside features and functions, on my left, I have a parking brake. So parking brake is on, and now parking brake is disengaged. So when you get to your job site, we'll have it on for transportation. When you get to your job site, turn it off. And on this side, you have your ignition switch. So right now the unit is firing up, and if we take a look at the display, you're going to see that right here my fuel level is full, and this is my operating temperature. Tells me my battery is ready to go and my glow plugs are ready to go. Now this is imperative. In the summertime the glow plugs really aren't that big of an issue, but in the wintertime what you're going to want to do is simply turn the key clockwise and you'll see that little orange glow plug light come up and you'll hear a beep. Once that shuts off, you can follow through clockwise and start the ignition. Now my RPMs at idle are running at about 1,000 RPMs. When I'm ready to operate, I'm going to come over here and I'm simply going to, on my right hand side, give it gas. We're going to turn down the throttle a little bit just while we're talking about this. I've got all my lighting options here, my overhead lighting and my rear lighting switches. These are toggles, very easy to operate. Now, the horn is on my left, that's my left control trigger. Now, on my right joystick, if I pull back, my main mast comes up. If I push forward, my main mast goes down. So in order to tilt and dump, I'm going to pull back. And if I go left on my joystick, my scoop bucket goes up. If I go right on my joystick, my scoop bucket goes down. It's just that easy. All of my boom arms and my bucket controls are very accessible in my right hand. To go forward, backward, side to side, it's as easy as this. I'm going to go forward. I'm going to go backwards. Hear my backup alarm. And then I'm going to go side to side. When I'm ready to exit the machine, I'm always going to make sure that my boom arm is down, my bucket is flush to the floor, I throttle down, and I'm going to ignition off. I'll raise up my safety arms. I'll always make sure that I put my hand on the exit bar, a safe foot on the anti-slip grip tape, and then I'll take a step on the bucket. There's anti-skid on that, and I'll take a safe step onto the ground. Now remember, at Chets, we have 8 locations. We're here to serve you, regardless if you're working in Canton or Brighton or Berkeley, Warren, Rochester Hills, Waterford, Chesterfield, Novi. We've got you covered. 8 locations strategically placed around Metro Detroit. We deliver, you can pick up, and we're here to take care of you. As a company, we always appreciate your business and we appreciate your relationship. Give us a call. You can reach us here at the Warren facility at 586-264-2420, and we're more than happy to accommodate your needs. Take care. Thanks for watching, and we appreciate your business.